Let's talk red onions and garlic. Hey, Regina. Get Fit with Regina, talking about health and fitness. So today, I'm going to show you how to make an onion and garlic relish that you're going to cook in a crock pot with just 3 ingredients: red onions, garlic cloves, and a mystery ingredient. Now, you may have heard that onions and garlic are considered superfoods. They have a lot of compounds and nutrients that can help your health in so many ways. But don't take my word for it. Always do your research. That being said, red onions are more powerful than white onions. But onions are still good for you, nevertheless. But these red onions take it up a notch. So again, we're using just 2 red onions, garlic cloves, there are 40 in here, and the mystery ingredient. Are you ready? Tart cherry juice, 100% tart cherry juice. This is also a superfood, loads of nutrients inside of it. And all I'm gonna do is chop all of this up in my food processor there. You can use a big one, or if you got a small one will take much longer, or you can chop it by hand. Again, food processor, large or small, and you're gonna need a large crock pot to put it all in, and a couple of empty jars to store it. Now, this onion and garlic relish will keep for a long time. I would say about a couple of months. It will not go bad. I'm pretty sure you're going to use this on a regular basis. You can eat it as a side dish. You may even want to have it as a main dish, but it is so tart and sweet that it's probably better as a side dish. Or you can even consider it as a vitamin to take, maybe a spoonful a day. However you wish to eat it, onions and garlic are great for your health. So I'm going to show you how to make it, and that'll be that. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to use my food chopper. I've cut up my onions, and I've taken the ends off of the garlic. Now, what I love about my food processor is when I turn it on, I can keep it on and it can chop it super fine, or I can pulse it and have bigger chunks. So I'm going to go somewhere in the middle, but I'm going to go ahead and get started. It's about to get loud in a minute. Oh, what you probably don't see is that I wear swim goggles because onions make my eyes tear. I've tried to rinse them. I've tried to soak them. It doesn't matter. I need to wear these goggles. All right, here goes the chopping. Okay. See if you can see how fine that is. That's perfect for a relish. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour that into a bowl and get ready for the second set. Okay, here's the second set. One, two, three. See, look how beautiful that is. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and put that into a bowl. So here we are, the next day. I've let my onions and garlic relish cool down. This is what it looks like. Beautiful burgundy color. You see how it's cooked down. It's nice and moist. And again, this superfood combo is a great addition to add to your health protocols. Again, don't take my word for it. Do your research. But this is a powerhouse combo that you didn't know you needed. Now, something I didn't mention yesterday, if you don't want to be committed to making such a large amount, consider using a mini crock pot where you could use, let's say, half of a red onion, maybe 6 garlic cloves, and just enough cherry juice to cover it. Cook that overnight and see what you think of the taste. If you like it, then consider making a larger batch. Again, this batch here will last a good month and a half. I pretty much try to eat this every day. I consider it almost like a liquid vitamin. Maybe not liquid, but you get what I'm talking about. It's a great side dish. Or again, just take a tablespoon daily and see what it does for your health. Anyway, it's a perfect combination of tart and sweet, just enough kick, and something you may want to consider trying. So anyway, leave your questions, comments. Let me know what you think of this dish if you've tried it. And I hope to see you again next time in watching more videos. Thanks for watching.